Immunogen. This one, IMGN, it was up over 140% today. We've had unusual activity in this name basically for weeks, Pete. We've had buying of calls, upside calls, and the stock, of course, on this move. Basically, it's a ovarian cancer in phase 3 trials, Pete. That's what this drug is for. And the stock popped that big because this is a huge deal. Obviously, if they can get through this trial and get that life-saving drug to women that need it, that'd be fantastic. And they were buying these calls, folks, with the stock at $4. And then they were buying it at $5. And they were still buying them Monday when the stock was $5. It traded through $13 today. So you can imagine that's why I'm wearing the 10X hat, because it's pretty damn near a 10X, Pete, between the calls they were buying at the 4 strike. All you got to do is plug in the math, folks. If they're buying those calls at the 4 strike and it's trading at 13, that's worth $9. So bang.
It's why you use the leverage of the options world. You also have to know the timing of it, of course, as we've talked about many, many times. And oftentimes they're not right with the timing. This time they were. John, as a matter of fact, they have a huge short interest here. This is an incredibly big deal, actually, for people. It extends lives significantly. We're talking 4 or 5 months longer as well. I mean, there's a lot of different things about this that sound great. And I think everybody's excited. The one thing is, they do have an incredible cash burn. They've got that big short. That's why we're getting squeezed. John, it wasn't too long ago we were at those 52-week lows. As you were talking about, the lows were 3. We were trading $4 not too terribly long ago. Here we are at the 52-week highs over 13. I don't think it's necessarily done. And as a matter of fact, if you want to talk about a candidate for somebody out there who wants to make an acquisition, not saying anything, I know nothing about it, but look, these guys are running out of cash, so they're in a position and for something, and they're right there on the cusp of getting something to the market. I mean, they're in phase 3. Now you've got to get the FDA approval. That's how this whole game works. If they can do that, I think somebody, before they get to that FDA decision, might have to take a little bit of a flyer on this one, John, because I'll tell you what, this is going to be a monstrous drug.
Yep. God bless them. This is fantastic. And like Pete said, right now it's about extending life for people that otherwise would, after chemo and everything else, not be able to live more than like 12 months. And this is pushing it out to 16 months. And hopefully, eventually, they can get to something that arrests it totally. 82 million shares change hands today, Pete, versus 3.7 million average. So yeah, this is hardly a secret.
Want more from Market Rebellion? Don't forget to like and subscribe, and learn more about options trading at marketrebellion.com.